Hello and welcome to our video about the 5 best 4K home theater projectors of 2023. We are excited to share with you our top picks for the best projectors that will take your home theater experience to the next level. We have researched and compiled a list of the top 5 best 4K home theater projectors of 2023 for you. In the description below, you can find links to each product we will be discussing in this video. So, stay tuned, because this is going to be awesome. Number 5. Hisense PX1 Pro. This projector is a high-end RGB triple laser 4K DLP ultra-short throw projector that has a brightness of 2200 ANSI lumens in its brightest mode. It's suitable for living and family room setups, AV rooms, and home theaters. One of the most impressive features of this projector is its triple laser technology, which delivers stunningly vivid colors and deep blacks. The projector also has a wide color gamut that covers more than 100% of the DCI P3 color space. The Hisense PX1 Pro also has an ultra-short throw design, which means it can be placed just inches away from the wall or screen and still produce a large image. This makes it perfect for small rooms where space is at a premium. The projector also supports HDR10 and HLG HDR formats, which means you can enjoy your favorite movies and TV shows with stunning detail and clarity. Another great feature of this projector is its built-in Harman Kardon speakers, which deliver high-quality audio that complements the stunning visuals. The Hisense PX1 Pro also has a sleek design that will complement any home decor. It's easy to set up and use, and it comes with a remote control that makes it easy to adjust settings from across the room. In conclusion, if you're looking for a high-end projector that delivers stunningly vivid colors, deep blacks, supports HDR10 and HLG HDR formats, has built-in Harman Kardon speakers, and has a sleek design that will complement any home decor, then the Hisense PX1 Pro 4K UHD Triple Laser UST Ultra Short Throw Projector is definitely worth considering. Number 4. Samsung the Premier. This projector delivers dramatic home cinema viewing that's just like being in a theater using a triple laser light source. With precise color accuracy and incredible contrast on a max 130-inch screen space, the Premier is the world's first HDR10 Plus certified projector for realistic, vibrant viewing. The projector uses cutting-edge 4K triple laser technology that brings the ultimate cinema experience to the comfort of your home. You get precise color accuracy and incredible contrast on a max 130-inch screen space. The projector is also equipped with acoustic beam technology that delivers an immersive audio experience. The Premier uses a triple laser light source for a dramatic home cinema viewing that's just like being in a theater. You get precise color accuracy and incredible contrast on a max 130-inch screen space. The projector is also equipped with acoustic beam technology that delivers an immersive audio experience. The projector has an ultra-short throw distance, which means you can place it right next to your wall or screen and still get a huge image size. It also has built-in smart features such as voice control and compatibility with popular streaming services like Netflix and Amazon Prime Video. In conclusion, Samsung 130-inch The Premier Ultra Short Throw 4K UHD Smart Triple Laser Projector for home theater is an excellent choice for those who want to enjoy an immersive cinema experience at home. Number 3. Optoma Cinemax P2. The Optoma Cinemax P2 is an ultra-short throw projector that offers big screen thrills without the need for a correspondingly big room. It is capable of delivering an image up to 120 inches across from a throw distance of barely half a meter from lens to wall. The projector has a fully integrated sound system and built-in soundbar with 4 drivers, 2 2-inch tweeters and 2 2.75-inch woofers. The projector has a 0.25 to 1 throw ratio, which means you'll need more distance from the wall. The Optoma Cinemax P2 is a second-generation ultra-short throw projector that offers big screen thrills without the need for a correspondingly big room. It is capable of delivering an image up to 120 inches across from a throw distance of barely half a meter from lens to wall. The projector has a fully integrated sound system and built-in soundbar with 4 drivers, 2 2-inch tweeters and 2 2.75-inch woofers. The projector has a 0.25 to 1 throw ratio, which means you'll need more distance from the wall. The Optoma Cinemax P2 has a native resolution of 3840 by 2160 pixels. It also has an impressive contrast ratio of 2:0:0:0:0:0 to 1. This means that it can display deep blacks and bright whites at the same time, making it ideal for watching movies or playing games. In conclusion, the Optoma Cinemax P2 is an ultra-short throw projector that offers big screen thrills without the need for a correspondingly big room. Number 2. Epson Home Cinema 5050 UB. This 4K Pro UHD projector delivers an amazing 4K home theater experience for the DIY enthusiast. It features a motorized lens with horizontal and vertical lens shift, plus ample zoom. The projector has proprietary processors for resolution enhancement, color and image processing, which produces incredible brightness, color accuracy and image detail. The Epson Home Cinema 5050 UB offers 2600 lumens of rated brightness and has a rated dynamic contrast ratio of 1:0:0:0:0:0 to 1. The contrast ratio is impressive and makes for an immersive viewing experience. The projector is easy to set up and use, with a simple interface that allows you to adjust settings quickly and easily. The motorized lens makes it easy to adjust the image size and position, while the ample zoom ensures that you can get the perfect image size for your room. One of the standout features of this projector is its proprietary processors for resolution enhancement, color and image processing, which produces incredible brightness, color accuracy and image detail. This means that you get an incredibly immersive viewing experience with stunning colors and sharp images. The Epson Home Cinema 5050 UB also features a motorized lens with horizontal and vertical lens shift, plus ample zoom. This makes it easy to adjust the image size and position to get the perfect image size for your room. Overall, we highly recommend the Epson Home Cinema 5050 UB projector for anyone looking for an immersive home theater experience. Its impressive contrast ratio, brightness, color accuracy, and image detail make it one of the best projectors on the market today. Number 1. Sony VPL VW325ES. This projector is the successor of the highly rated VW225ES, which was one of our favorite projectors, offering an outstanding picture that very few models in its price range could match. The VPL VW325ES has an excellent contrast ratio and remarkable black levels, but you need total light control in your room. The Sony VPL VW325ES is a 1500 ANSI lumen 4K SXRD home theater projector that delivers stunning visuals with its native 4K resolution and HDR support. It also features a dynamic iris that enhances contrast and black levels, making it perfect for watching movies or playing games. The projector has a long lamp life of up to 6,000 hours in low mode, which means you can enjoy your favorite movies and TV shows without worrying about replacing the lamp anytime soon. The VPL VW325ES also features Sony's reality creation technology, which upscales lower resolution content to near 4K quality, making it perfect for streaming services like Netflix or Amazon Prime Video. In addition, the projector has a built-in RF transmitter that works with Sony's optional RF 3D glasses, sold separately, to deliver immersive 3D visuals. The Sony VPL VW325ES is also easy to set up thanks to its lens shift function, which allows you to adjust the position of the projected image without moving the projector itself. In conclusion, if you're looking for a home theater projector that delivers stunning visuals and excellent contrast ratio, then the Sony VPL VW325ES is definitely worth considering. And that's it for our video on the 5 best 4K home theater projectors of 2023. We hope you found it helpful and informative. If you did, please show us some love by liking and sharing this video with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, LenCo Recommendations, where we share with you the best tech and gadgets for your needs. We have a lot of amazing content in store for you, so make sure you click the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you soon.